Our top tip for today is how to set the drive belt tension on a Wood-Mizer LT15 sawmill. It is important that the belt is tensioned right. The belt drives the wheel on which the blade runs. If the belt is loose, it will slip and the sawmill will lose power. It is normal for the belt to lose tension, so check it regularly. Loosen the 4 bolts that bolts the motor to the machine. Use the 2 bolts on either side of the motor to tension the belt. Make sure that the motor sits straight on the base plate before tightening the bolts again. The belt should have enough play to move 10 mm up and down and 10 mm left and right.